Hello and welcome. I am Sujani and today we will talk about personal loan tax benefits. Personal loans are among the most accessible ways to raise finance for various purposes. For example, a personal loan can be a great help when you need to fund higher education, tackle a medical emergency, or plan a large expense like a dream wedding. You can also claim personal loan interest deduction based on the purpose of the loan. Personal loans are unsecured and therefore lenders consider them riskier than secured loans. This means personal loans attract a higher interest rate. That said, the ease with which these loans can be availed and the freedom to use the amount for any purpose you like makes them ideal in many situations. Remember that the personal loan amount that you raise is not a part of your income. This means you would not pay any income tax on the loan amount. That said, remember that this applies only when you take a loan from a bank or recognized NBFCs. If you take a loan from other sources like a family member, it may be considered a part of your income and can be taxed as such. The Income Tax Act offers tax deductions for loans which cater to specific purposes. The following are a few examples. Number 1. Loans for purchase of a home or home renovation. Personal loan tax exemptions for salaried is not available even if you use the funds towards purchasing a new home or renovating your existing home. However, the home loan you may have taken to purchase a house is certainly exempted from taxes. If it is a house that you own and live in, you are eligible for deductions up to 2 lakh. Number 2. Loans taken for business purposes. Term loans for business which are secured against assets such as land, securities or other property is exempted from taxes up to an extent. However, personal loans for business or unsecured business loans don't carry any tax benefits. Number 3. Personal loan for purchase of any other asset. Besides residential property, there are various income producing or investing assets like shares, gold, jewelry, cars, two-wheelers or non-residential house property. If you need funds for any of these purchases, you can apply for the appropriate product to avail the tax benefits against the same. That's all for today. If this video was useful, don't forget to like and share it and subscribe to ClearTax. See you.